Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pente Spotlight, where we break down tech disruptions and digital headlines in a clear and calm way. I'm Emily, your guide to safety, compliance, and the systems that keep us connected.
And I'm Lucas, here to explain what's happening when your Wi-Fi suddenly stops working and everyone in town starts asking the same question. Is it just me?
Today's spotlight takes us to Casper, where customers of Spectrum experienced a major internet outage on Sunday morning. Reports showed disruptions across Casper, including nearby communities like Nunn and Mills.
According to Spectrum, the outage was caused by a technical issue. Customers initially received automated messages estimating service restoration around early afternoon, but service was reportedly restored around 11:30 a.m., so thankfully it wasn't an all-day blackout.
From a reliability standpoint, outages like this highlight how dependent communities are on broadband infrastructure for work, communication, emergency services, and entertainment. Even a few hours offline can disrupt businesses and households.
And here's something important. Mobile services in Casper were not affected this time. That's different from what happened back in April 2025 when a subcontractor accidentally cut major fiber optic cables, knocking out Verizon and Spectrum for hours. This time, it appears to have been an internal technical issue rather than physical damage.
Outages like these also remind providers of the importance of redundancy and backup systems. Modern internet networks are complex, and even small faults can cascade quickly.
The good news? Service was restored relatively quickly, and while it's frustrating in the moment, it's also a reminder of how much infrastructure operates behind the scenes to keep us connected.
Today's takeaway. When internet goes down, it's more than inconvenience. It's a critical infrastructure event. Transparency and fast response are key to maintaining public trust.
Thanks for listening to Pente Spotlight. If this breakdown helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time for more tech made simple and smart.